Hey guys, this is Neeraj Kumar, and in this video I will be talking about my game Space Adventure, which is going to be released in Play Store in the end of this February, maybe. And let's just watch to my game. Let's come to our computer screen. Here you can see the main menu, and it has a play button, options button, and a quit button. And if you switch to the scene view, you can see the canvas, the UI elements, and it has a nice background. Let me play the game. It has a nice rock transition, as you can see, and here the rocks in the backgrounds will collide. You can say it is a rock or an asteroid which will be colliding with each other with a nice particle system in it. Yeah, and it will follow your cursor, as you can see here, but in the mobile phone it will follow your taps. And here are the coins and the gems that you have collected, and these are the buttons which are not working right now. And you can see in the options, here goes a nice transition. In the options you have a music volume option, SFX option, and cool cool types of rocket, different types of rocket, which you can select on the basis of the regular speed, boost speed, and the fuel tank capacity, which will be unlocked for the game released, so that you can have fun and unlock it. Here you can see play button. Let's play the game. Here goes a nice transition and a level selection menu with different levels, with 22 levels in it. And right now you can see a cool design, like cool rocks and these little monsters, aliens traveling as you scroll. And you can start the level. You can control by this little buttons, but as I'm in PC, I will be controlling it with my buttons. You can boost from this button, boost. And here is a black hole which you have to dodge, because if you go in the center of the black hole you will die. Let me show you. See, let's retry the game. Yep, you have to collect the fuel and gem and the coins, and these satellites are like moving the space. And if you will be out of the fuel, here if you will be out of the fuel, your game will be like you will be there will be a game over. And so you have to collect the fuel every time. The level design is not completed yet. This level is not going to be for you all guys. This is for me to test out. This is the testing level. And for the planet, you have to like reach to the planet to pass the mission. You can go to the next level, restart, and main menu. Let's go to the main menu. Let's play the game again. uh, there is a level 2, I think so. You can play the level. Okay, it is in the development phase right now, level 2, you can see. And I will be like connected to you all guys in this. Okay, level 2 is in development phase, that's why I got this error. No problem. It will be fixed. And I will be connected with you all guys through YouTube, so that you can watch my videos and stay connected with me to the entire development journey. Yeah, this game, again I'm repeating this, this game will be released in the Play Store for Android devices, and it will be released in the end of this February 2021. Let's end this video and hope you will enjoy my game when it will be released. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.